Guys, today I am going to show about the condenser line connected to the cooling towers. So try to understand how this pipeline is being routed. So as in the previous video you have seen the risers which are coming to the top. So you can see this line is coming to the top. So there is a wall used to check the control flow, and you can see there is a branch which is rising. So this is called the rising branch. So this is the rising one, and this rising one is going, and there is a manual butterfly valve which is connected here, and you can see the cooling towers. So there are manual butterfly valve as well as the motorized one which is connected to the cooling tower, and there is a top, there is a rubber below. So all the water is which is coming from the chiller outlet, so removing heat, the hot water I can say, it is going and falling on the top of the cooling tower, so that it is getting cooled with the fan. So you can see there are so many riser headers, that is called the water which is coming out of the condenser and is falling from the top, so that the due to the mixing of air and falling, the heat is getting reduced. So this big one is called the water which is going into the condenser. It is down, you can see there is a big uh, tab there. So it is going, so you can see the downward portion how the water is coming here. So this is the one. So you can see there is a connection, bottom basin kind of thing. So that is an outlet. So there is a motorized butterfly valve, and gauges are fitted here. There is a temperature gauge. So this is a bigger line which is having the end flange here. So you can see I can take down the line here and close down. Hello. So this is the topmost one. It is getting here. So this particular bigger line, after the water is getting cool, this is going down. There is an isolation wall. This is the one. You can see it's a big header. You can see this is a big header which is going down to the condenser. So you can see this is a view of the cooling tower. You can see here, other areas are new. You can see there is a top fancy of everything. Thank you so much for seeing this video. Thank you. So for this pipe is also being supported. This is an angle here. And you can see the pedestrians are resting on this one. Here are some of the pedestrians resting on this one. So it is a tanker possible kind of thing. You can see here the pedestrians which are there here. And you can see the supporting details of the pipe. Okay. Thank you so much guys for this one.